Ah, we were
That
just about
was,
to steal the shit. Ah,
yeah,
let's just get another one of these.
yeah. I'm sure we'll use it for something.
Something good. Oh, a cave. Well, he didn't go far.
Yeah, there's something in there. Oh, what is this?
What?
Um, I think I found another portal.
What? Where do you find a nether portal?
And I also found a cave with a staircase.
Wait, where the hell are you?
I
Oh,
don't know.
oh wait, I see another portal.
Okay, wait, are you still in the water?
I'm still in the water.
Okay, wait, come over here.
That's the one you're talking about, right?
Yeah, but there's like this thing down
Oh,
here.
about get wrecked.
Okay.
Holy shit! I forgot how fast boats were.
I'll just go down the staircase by myself. Take all their treasure.
Okay, let's see.
Hey, this is literally just a cave. Never mind.
This is a XP farm.
Ooh.
Looks like a ordinary
Oh,
cave.
nope. Nope. There's a
What?
skeleton wearing golden armor. I'm gonna die.
Don't you dare die.
I'm gonna die, and I'm starving. I'm just gonna hope that this is not on hard mode. I don't want to die of hunger.
Why didn't you eat your bread?
I did!
Then why did you run too often?
'Cause I like running. Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast, yeah.
Help me! I need food.
Where are you, Odin? Don't hurt yourself before you Shrek yourself.
Ooh,
Oh,
what
so-
is this? Nothing. There's nothing in here.
Let's go to the nether.
Okay.
Be careful with the baby steps. Baby steps.
Let's just hope I don't die before we get there. Gosh, okay.
Oh, another boat.
Here I go.
Look out for the fire.
Oh god. Oh god.
What's that flaming thing?
It's a thing that the gas will shoot at you. Oh, that's great. Okay, I'm dead.
Oh, so it's on hard mode?
Mm-hmm.
Shit!
Yeah,
Don't worry, I got your shit.
okay. I'm gonna go to that place again. If I can find it.
I think I might have poisoned myself. By eating that thing.
Oh, spider eye?
Yep.
I probably shouldn't have eaten that, because then I wouldn't starve. Oh god, what is this?
This makes me remember about the time when I used to make Minecraft Let's Plays. The awful times.
I've done that before. Oh my god, Okay, let's make some boats, and then we can go
Making a boat.
into the wild.
Ah, that's been so long.
Oh yeah, I got an achievement.
Holy shit! I got an achievement. I'm perfect now. I'm a
Get
special.
wrecked. Okay,
I'm
I
special.
made a crafting table.
I did.
Now,
too.
let's make a boat. I'm gonna make 2 boats. 'Cause I don't want to lose my boat and then be helpless in the ocean.
We gotta make swords.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Let's just go.
No, I'm not going without my sword.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Let's just hope I don't crash this boat in like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh god, nope, no, hey.
They used to be even worse.
Yeah, I almost crashed it.
They are also way faster now.
Yeah.
Like holy shit. Let's go. Oh no.
Oh crap. Oh, yeah, there we go.
F5. Press F5 for the better view.
We have to evade these lily pads.
No, you don't. I just
Oh,
crashed
wait.
in.
I think it breaks your boat after a couple, though.
They do?
Yeah.
I've never
Oh,
been in.
see? Mine just broke.
I've crashed into like a million now.
Mine just broke on me.
Mine didn't break at all, and I just crashed into all of them.
Ah, that ain't fair, man.
Gotta love my skin. Even though my face looks stupid in it.
Mine is fabulous. I have like a French beret, whatever, however it's pronounced. I think I look pretty swag. There's this house again that has nothing in it.
Yeah, just grief it.
Did you make another boat?
I had made like a million of them.
Okay, I need to make more too.
I'm so proud of you.
I know. MLG
You're
Pro.
finally an MLG Pro. I raced you the right way.
I've always been an MLG Pro. What are you talking about?
You haven't been ever since you were 4 years old.
Yes, I have.
No, you weren't. You were.
I was an MLG Pro when I was born. I was
Yeah.
destined.
Yeah, right.
I was destined to be
And
an
I was
MLG
destined
Pro.
to be fabulous.
Yeah, sure.
To be cursed with this awful voice.
It's not awful.
But it's not good either.
True, but okay. I want to make 2 swords.
When I speak
Like-
Dutch, my voice is like way higher.
Mm.
It's just I can't speak in my normal voice when I speak English. It's weird, but I just can't.
Alright, should we go now?
Yeah, I think we have got enough wood.
Let's just kind of go around that nether portal and keep going in the water.
I'm gonna crash into you. Look out.
Don't you dare.
So are you gonna go in the nether?
Let's just go around it for now. Oh, somebody else is on. Oh, there's other people on.
You never knew. You never knew?
No, I didn't notice them. Nobody's like talking on here.
No. Everyone's dead.
What is this thing?
Or everyone's AFK. Okay. You gotta be careful. Careful.
Can I break this? There we go.
No, don't go away without me, both.
I have like 4, so you can have one.
Titanic music plays.
Beep, 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 beep. What is this? Oh god. This is bad. I'm just gonna ignore.
In a tree.
In a tree. Okay. That helps. We're in a forest.
Around the place where we
I wish
arrived.
there was teleport. Here you are. Oh.
My arm is glitchy now because of the boat. Looks so odd.
Okay. Just keep walking. Yeah.
Don't run. Pigs!
Kill it.
Or a pig.
Oh, I wanted to eat.
I saw another one. I see 2 more.
Yeah.
There's no
So you
pig
can't
here,
murder
but-
each other. Unfortunately.
Accident.
Hmm.
I was just about to steal it.
That one didn't even drop anything, I don't think. Oh, thanks. This zombie just picked up an egg.
Did. I stole it.
I want that egg. That egg is mine. I got an egg now.
Egg? Oh, the
Mm-mm.
normal egg.
Oh god, creeper.
Not a monster egg.
Okay, we should probably get some food.
There goes my
Did you get
pork.
furnaces? We need furnaces. Oh yeah, okay. Go
No, I
mining
died,
for some
remember?
cobblestone, I guess. Let's just like
Okay,
make a hole.
Let's build a place to have a home.
Okay.
This
Let's make a little hole.
No. Keep the roof. Keep the roof. I want. Yeah. Let's make a very old dirt house. Gotta love me some dirt houses.
Yeah, we need cobblestone, and then we can make a furnace, and we can actually eat, so that I don't starve to death again.
Yep.
2.
How many pork do you? How much pork do you have?
How? I killed like 4 pigs.
9.
You did though.
I stole most of it.
Okay, cool.
Don't worry, I'm gonna give you some.
Because if you don't, then I'll kill you.
When it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of guessed that. Gotta make some coal first.
Alright.
Light. Let there be light.
Yep.
So we have 11. Who's gonna get half of it?
I don't know. We'll just keep 1 for extra.
That's one yours. This one's mine, and the next one is yours.
I'm eating
Sure,
chips
mine
right
can be
now,
muted.
so I'm trying not to have it on when I'm eating.
Well, I don't really
Probably.
care if someone eats while I'm not talking on Skype. I mean, I've experienced
Probably sounds like
the
really
most
weird though,
weird
so.
things on Skype, anyways. Oh yeah, you're like,
You are a
he's a pervert. He's gonna think it's
Yes, you
something
are.
different. No, I'm not.
Yes, it does.
Does my shirt say I'm a pervert? No, it doesn't.
I know these things. MLG Pro Psychic.
Cause you're an MLG bro.
I'm eating chips and peanuts, which is the most healthy thing ever. It is the most healthy thing in the world.
Is it really?
Sarcasm.
Not for dogs.
I should probably be eating like an apple or something, but no, I'm eating sour cream and onion chips.
I haven't eaten fruits in years.
I'm forced
I
to.
miss
Like
apples.
at school, if you don't get a fruit with your lunch, then they like kill you. They're like, they send you back to the end of the line
Wait,
if you
what?
don't get a fruit. They're like, you have to get a fruit, otherwise you can't have your lunch. And I'm like, wow.
You're gonna have a potato with that I mean,
Yep.
you're gonna have an apple with that French fry.
Because they have like new health standards.
Cause America.
Yeah,
Why don't you just say, but this is America?
they have
We
like new health
invented
standards at school to
unhealthy
make the
food."
kids not as obese. Yeah.
Same here in it sucks though, because we used to get French fries and we all didn't get
Yeah.
fat. I mean, Dutch people are known to not be that fat. Although I've seen
Yeah.
some here and there that kind of are. But they either have a sickness or some kind of.
Yeah.
They just don't have the money to eat healthy. But what's the big deal? Like seriously, I can kind of see where they're coming from, but if they look healthy already,
Yeah, I don't know.
oh yeah, then it would be discrimination. God dang it! God dang it!
I don't know.
Why are people fat?
Sometimes, well, sometimes
I
they can't help
eat
it 'cause sometimes they have a disease,
sometimes,
but
I
if you
don't
can
get-
help it, you probably should. I don't know.
I mean, I'm fine. I mean,
Yeah,
I
I
eat
eat, like-
cookies every single day, like 5 of them. I ate
Chips.
2 sacks of
Chips?
chips.
Yeah.
Or chips, like you, American.
I don't know. Yeah, it's just chips.
It's funny how it's called chips here. They're sailing away in my mouth.
Alright, the sun is rising. You should probably. That pork is yours, by the way.
Waterfall of dreams.
Yeah, it's on the ground.
Oh.
I put it on the
it
ground.
is. Oh, you
Alright, let's
got
go.
it now. Oh.
Alright.
We gotta get our stuff back though. Wait a second. I could just upgrade. Hold on. Good.
What? Oh, this?
You can have it.
Alright.
Yeah, you can have it.
Yeah,
That
because
way
I
we
burned
both
my
have
crafting
something
table.
important in our inventory.
That pork. Okay.
Yep.
Ooh, we need that.
Oh, we got some sugar canes
We can make a cake.
for when we ever decide to build a house.
Cake is delicious anyway.
Cake is a lie, don't you know?
I don't like
I
chocolate
like
cake.
some
Chocolate
cake, but not all of them.
No chocolate cake.
I
for me.
like, I love it.
I think
I hate
regular
those,
vanilla cake is fine.
Those normal cakes.
Like
I-
just
what are
white
you
cake,
talking
like
about,
the
cake
yellow or
pie
white cake.
thingy? Yeah.
whatever color it is. It's like either white or yellow type of
yellowish
color.
brown cake.
It's like just normal cake for us. I don't know.
Because we in the Netherlands have 2 words for them. cake and taart. Cake
Yeah.
is of course cake, and taart is more like pie. But there are some
know.
pies that
Where are you?
Americans consider to be cake. I'm in a tree, as always.
We're still in a forest, so that doesn't help.
I tried to go back to
Okay.
the place where we got that sugar
Oh, I
cane
see you now.
thingy.
I found a chicken. I'm
I
gonna
see
kill it.
pigs.
Fried chicken. KFC. We can make some KFC now.
You're watching it live. Holy shit! And my frames
Should
are
sail
dropping.
across this water in a minute. I don't know.
What's
We might be
happening to the
loading new
frames?
chunks
Holy
while we're
shit.
out here, so. Alright, do you want to go this direction with our boats?
It's very amazing. Oh shit!
Okay, let's find a good area to build.
Don't you like my dirt house?
No.
Why?